Here is a quick iPhone Safari trick for you guys. I believe most of you will need it. Now open Safari and open a website, for example, and let's say that you've dived in and you're searching for like a certain like information or text or even a word. What to do is just tap here and remove it and write down that word, specific word or text that you want to search. Okay, now let's go for let me see. Okay, iPhone, just for an instance. Now scroll down and tap on find iPhone. Okay, now here, right, or what is interesting here, right, it gives you the times that this word is mentioned or written in that article that you're reading, for example, or the website that you've just opened. Okay, so 1 of 10. So it means that the word iPhone is mentioned or written 10 times, okay, on this page or website. Okay, so scroll down and find all of them. I mean, easily, no need to waste time, okay, or just scrolling down, okay, and not finding that word. I hope you liked it. Share with your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.